Right, basically, we got a bit of snow here, and well, 7 o'clock at night, there's heavy blizzards and all the rest of it, I tell you. So all you gotta do is block that hole, see that there? Because if the blizzard starts blowing the wind, all the snow will come in here. So anyway, my son James been doing carpentry, and they told him, just like Joseph told Jesus, man, to use one of these, right? And what you do, he said, so you go all the way down and all the way up. You know, all the way down and all the way up. What happened? Joseph went off, right, years ago, left Jesus to it, right? When Joseph came back, he said to Jesus, is that all you fucking done? So anyway, he was telling him about Moses and Noah's Ark and everything. So what he done, Jesus went to the spaceship and got one of these fuckers. Jamesy, if you want to learn carpentry, sit with me. I can tell you, all the way fucking down and all the way up, you fuck. Do you know what I mean? Okay, now there. Where you fucking come from, man? And then obviously when Moses was doing it, they was helping each other all the way down. There we go. Oh, just imagine how long that would have taken him. Listening, you know what I mean? Fucking unbelievable. All the fucking way up and all the way down. Fucking hell. If Daniel Pulley's listening, when you go to bed tonight, put your fucking pyjamas back on the wrong way, on a different. Let's have a look, yeah. What we gotta do, see, cut him over there. Oh, fucking, do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? What we gotta do, see, nearly there, we're just gonna finish in touches, look. I'll cut that one over there. Over there. I'll see you now, we get our back here. We can put that there. Laughing. Gotta have a laugh, haven't we? Go. We'll finish this now, 3 minutes of show.